Hello, my name is John Disan and welcome to this class. YouTube Affiliate Marketing Made Easy. 3 simple steps to succeed on YouTube. I made this class because a lot of people are asking me in private on how to do affiliate marketing with YouTube easily, even if you are a complete newbie. And so I made this class. In this class, I'll be teaching you how to effectively and efficiently do affiliate marketing with YouTube, which involves the proper tools to succeed, how to find hot affiliate offers, how to do keyword research easily, how to create videos that hungry buyers are looking for, and on-page and off-page SEO. This class is not for all, but the ones who are doing it with YouTube are killing it and made a living out of it. This class is straightforward and easy. So if you are ready to get started in this class, click the enroll button now and see you in the main training videos. Bye.